Welcome to my another episode of short division on the Abacus English tutorial, episode number 11. And these are our question for today. 4 digits divide by 1 digit and 3 digits divide by 1 digit, and we are going to deal with 0 in both questions. Okay, let's start. For the first question, I'm going to take from this rod. Okay, this is my marked rod. So 2, 1, 0 and 0. Okay, let's start. You don't need to watch here. So divisor and dividend on the abacus. So from 2 to divide by 6 is not possible. That's why I'm going to take 2 digits. Okay, 2, 1, 21 divide by 6. 21 divided by 6, your answer is 3. 6 threes are 1, 8, 18. So first you have to reduce 10 and next 8. Reduce 10 and add 2 here. Okay, and go to next row. 3 and 0. Now you have 3 and 0. 30. 30 divided by 6. Your answer is 5. 6 5s are 33, 0, 30, and go to next row. No dividend left here, means this is your answer. 3 and 5, 35. No. Why? Because this is my marked rod. You have to read this 0 here. This is the point, or this is the mistake with 0 and the question. Okay, lots of time kids do this mistake. So our answer always finished on this marked rod. Okay, doesn't matter how long division you are doing. So you have to read your answer till the marked rod. This is the point with the 0. Okay, and let's go to another number. Reset your abacus. As I'm going to use this rod now. Okay, for this question I use this rod, but for this question I'm going to use from this rod. Okay, so if you want to know how to take place or how to place your answer, how to point your digits on the abacus while doing division, you have to watch full explained episode of basic rules of division on the abacus. So please check my playlist or description box. Okay, so I'm not going to explain that here. Okay, so this video will going to very long, so that's why. So let's start. 700 700. So you don't need to watch here. Divisor 5 and the dividend on the abacus. 7 took 7. Okay, 7 divided by 5, your answer is 1. Yes, 5 1 is 5. Reduce 5 and go to next row. 2 0 20. Now you have 2 0 20. Okay, you have to use the number till this pointed rod. Okay, 2 0 20 divided by 5, your answer is 4. Okay, and 5 4s are 2 0 20 and finish. And now you have your answer 1 and 4. No, this is our marked rod. You have to add this 0 here. 140 is your correct answer. Okay, if you are confusing, please one more time watch one more. If you are confusing, please watch a full explained technique video on my channel. Okay, please check my playlist and next episode, next technique. Till then, bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.